Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys had a happy new year, happy holidays, and just an overall great holiday season. I know I definitely did. It was super fun and relaxing with my family. And yeah, that's pretty much it because you can't really see anyone else right now because of COVID in Canada, or at least in the province that I live in. So it was a quiet but fun Christmas and New Year's for me. And although I did take a little bit of a break from YouTube, I'm back now and will be posting weekly videos once again. So since December just ended, I want to film this video first before I move on to my 2021 themed videos and kind of New Year style videos. So let's get into that. But before I get into my earnings and analytics and all that, make sure to like this video so I know to keep doing these monthly earnings videos, that you guys like them and actually want to see them, and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. I'm definitely going to be expanding the horizons of my channel this year. I feel like I've been talking just about Redbubble pretty much for, I don't know, maybe like the last 5 months with a few other random sprinkling of videos here and there. But I definitely do want to talk about other things because, you know, that's not the only thing that this channel is going to be about in the future. And I myself want to grow as a person, so that means trying new platforms, expanding current platforms that I'm on, and maybe even sprinkling some financial videos in here because I'm really passionate about taking control of your finances and making sure that you're saving and investing and doing all that stuff. And then maybe some more general videos like I did, you know, back when I started my channel. So things like goal setting, motivation, stuff like that. I'm not quite sure when I'll release those type of videos because I still have a lot of print on demand stuff that I've planned for this year. So I might just include some of those here and there for now. But I definitely do want to make some of my content a little bit more versatile, but don't worry, I will still be posting lots of print on demand stuff because that is still my primary focus as of now. So that being said, let's get into my December earnings for Redbubble. Okay, so December was another amazing month for my Redbubble shop, and I know the last 2 months were not the best for me. I can't remember the numbers exactly, I'll put them on screen here, but it did dip pretty low compared to my previous couple of months before those. So yeah, October and November were not the greatest, but luckily we saw a rise in December, which I was also expecting because December is usually a pretty good month for me sales-wise. So that being said, I earned a total of $915 US and a few cents. I'll put that number up on screen here. And converted to Canadian, that came out to about $1,135, which is what I got paid. So definitely one of my best months for sure. Not my top month, but I think it's probably in like the top 3 or 4. So very thankful for that. And I think one of the reasons is because I did upload a lot of new items to my shop, and I actually did get quite a few sales from the new designs that I uploaded in December, which I was pretty surprised because normally I feel like my designs start picking up a few months after I post them. So I was happy to see that, and I'm actually going to jump into my analytics right now as I usually do so that I can show you, you know, the items that I sold, what all the other analytics looked like, and just an overall picture of my December 2020 Redbubble analytics. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard, and I'll just go into my payment history to show you guys what I earned just as proof. So as you can see here, December 2020, $915.09. So just going into my sales history next, and I'm gonna go back to December because I don't want to show you my current sales because that will be for next month's video. But let's see. Okay, so now this is about mid-November we're in, which is exactly when the payment for December started counting. So let's see, we have some masks, some socks, mask again, stickers, kids clothes. I think that might be my first kid clothing item I've ever sold, and it's for one of my new designs, so that's exciting. Canvas mounted print, I don't usually sell those, that's cool. A cotton tote bag, a throw blanket. So as you can see, all these ones right here are my new designs that I have up, so those are clearly selling. Some leggings, floor pillow, I don't sell that one that often. I think that's one of my new designs as well. So let's go into more of the recent sales. A lot of masks. I'm guessing maybe people were buying masks because of like the second wave or because of gifts, but I had more masks than the previous 2 months. yeah, I feel like every month that is moving forward, I get more and more sales of designs that aren't blue ocean waves. So that's definitely promising, and that goes to show, you know, even if you have like a one-hit wonder, you can still have other items sell and have them sell well. So sometimes you might have that one design that really brings people to your store, but eventually other designs will start picking up, and you know, as long as they're good. But yeah, it doesn't mean that you'll only ever have one design that sells. So once again, at the end of November, I have a lot of the new designs that I posted sell, so that's really exciting. I don't know if it's just me, but feel kind of bad when my other designs don't sell, because I don't know, like I feel like only one of them's getting the attention, even though they're all really nice designs. At least I think so. So I like to see when it varies a little bit. Okay, what else do we have here? iPhone case, laptop case. Okay, that's also kind of rare. A pullover sweatshirt. I think that might be a first. Oh, it's a pretty good profit margin. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys this. So this purchase right here, leggings of Blue Ocean Waves, when I saw it, I got so excited because there were 7 that were purchased and I made $94 from it. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is my best day yet. I can't believe I sold 7 at once. I don't know who would buy these. But then I realized it was canceled. I got ahead of myself. I got too excited. I saw the other numbers. I didn't even notice that it was canceled. So yeah, I kind of got a reality check really quick, but that's okay. I think they probably only meant to order 1 and accidentally clicked 7. So yeah, that's okay. And then yeah, just more stickers, photographic print, duvet cover. Yeah, nothing crazy, really an assortment of everything. Another duvet cover. Oh, December was a good month. Yeah, so I'll leave that there because we're about mid-December now when the other payment starts. And if we look into my earnings summary, this is kind of skewed because it's not the exact earnings that I got, because like part of November counted for my December sales earnings. So as you can see here, mid-December was definitely my best time, and then, you know, as it got closer to Christmas, people will probably stop buying because they knew it wouldn't get here in time. And then I had a couple of $0 days, which I hadn't even realized, but it happens to everyone and it just balances out in the end, so don't worry if you see that as well. And then after Christmas or on the Boxing Day sale time, as you can see, it went up again, but nothing too crazy. Alright, so for the last month, once again, this is not exactly accurate. I should have filmed this a little bit earlier because it's going just from December 7th to January 5th, but it gives you an idea of what sold the best. So obviously Blue Ocean Waves sold the most. Then we have this sunset picture, palm tree. So this turquoise one is one of my new items. Let's see if there's some more new items. Yeah, I think this one's new. Starfish is definitely new, this one's new, so lots of the new items took the top spots, which is great to see. And then my traffic for that month was still pretty good. A lot of social media, a lot was from Redbubble, and then a lot of organic traffic as well. And let's look into my shares. Oh, I feel like I got a lot of shares compared to other months. Maybe it's just like I'm me being surprised every time I see this graph because it's more than I think, but I think it's a decent amount. I definitely want to work on this like through a Pinterest strategy or something and sharing my own work, but for now with no strategy for this, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so that was my Redbubble December analytic report, and as you can see, still a variety of items, so it really goes to show you that any item can sell, and to really try to upload your designs on everything because you never know what people are gonna buy, even if you don't think that it might sell, or if it's not, you know, the most optimal product for that image. Some people still like it and it's still worth putting on there. So now that I've done that, I'll go over my goals that I had for December if I completed them and my new goals for January. So I think I only had 2 goals in December. Number 1 was to upload another 20 designs, I believe, and then number 2 was to advertise on TikTok. So for the first goal, I unfortunately did not complete it this month. I did upload a few designs and I actually went through an old hard drive and pulled a bunch of new images that I was planning to edit, but then obviously with the holidays and just I don't know, being kind of lazy the last month of the year, I didn't end up uploading those to Redbubble, but they're pretty much ready to go. So maybe tonight I'll try to add those before I upload this video, but if not, I did upload a few, so you know, it wasn't a complete fail. And then my second goal, which was to upload TikToks advertising my Redbubble products. I did get started on that. I have some of the content for like the actual TikToks that I'm going to post, and I'm gonna make a video about that entire process that'll probably come out this week or next. So that's in the works, and I think, well, I hope they're gonna go really well because I really like the ideas that I created, but you never know. TikTok is kind of, you know, all about the algorithm, so we'll see how that works out because I'm first gonna try non-paid ads, so just ads on my account that I'm gonna try to get to the For You page. I feel like that's the best way to do it until I, you know, become better at making TikToks and really understand how TikTok works. So I definitely have 2 TikToks that I'm gonna be posting this month for that ad. I might have a third depending on the ideas I come up with. Like I have 2 solid ones, and then the third I'm not so sure about, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll definitely include those in the video and let you guys know how they did. But I'm excited for that, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if it works. So now going into my January goals, I'm gonna keep it consistent with that upload 20 new designs because I think that's a good number. And I think that since I didn't do it last month, I definitely have to do it this month. And I think I'm gonna like just keep this goal pretty much for all months going forward because why not? It's a good number to work towards, and even if I don't get the full 20 every month, just even uploading like 10 new a month is still good because I went for so long pretty much not uploading anything a month, or maybe just like 1 or 2 a month, which is definitely not enough if you want to continue your growth. So yeah, anything between that 10 to 20 range I think I'll be happy with. And then I'm going to post those TikToks, so I guess that can count towards this month and see how it works, and then brainstorm some ideas for some new TikToks or some paid TikToks and maybe have those posted by the end of the month. So I don't want to put too many goals this month into my Redbubble side of things because I've really been trying to expand my print-on-demand horizons. I finally actually started my Merch by Amazon account at the end of December, I believe. So I started posting on there. I got my first sale the other week, and I stopped with the holidays, but now that the holidays are done, I'm going to go back into that and post some more, take off some designs that didn't sell, and do all that. So I can do an update video on that now officially that I've started it. And I've also started an Etsy shop that I'm going to try to upload some artwork to this month. So I have a lot of things going. I don't want to spread myself too thin. So I think for Redbubble, since it's already working, I'll keep the goals pretty simple and put a little bit more effort into the other platforms that need to get going, and hopefully they can eventually get up to speed and hopefully surpass Redbubble. I'm sure they can, but yeah, for now I just want to get those running. So I guess that was just a little update on my other goals as well, not just Redbubble, for the month and the next few months really. So that's what I'm working on right now, and I will definitely film the process for all of those things that I'm doing and upload them to share with you guys so that you guys can also start your own sites on those other platforms, or if you're already on them, you know, get a little bit of help or advice or motivation to keep going. But that's all I have for this video. I'm so glad to be back. I've actually missed being in front of the camera and talking to you guys and interacting with you guys. So leave a comment below with what videos you want to see for the new year and any other platforms that you're interested in. I'd love to see what you guys want to hear, and you know, make sure it aligns with my content that I'm going to be posting. So yeah, leave those in the comments below, and I can't wait to see where 2021 takes me and all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to grow this channel to 100K in 2021. I know it sounds like a big goal, but I feel like with consistency, it is something that's possible for any channel, not just mine. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there into the universe and, you know, make it happen. I know I couldn't do it without you guys. So if you have watched my content before or are new here and like what you see, then definitely consider subscribing to help me reach that goal. All right, but that's all I have for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.